2. Hello everyone, today I am back at it again with another video, so let's just dive right into it. So today we're doing a makeup look and we're going to start off with a fresh face and brows. So I'm going to be using this Essence brow and it's close to my natural eyebrow color, and I'm just like outlining a bit on my brows and kind of filling them in. Now I'm taking some NYX concealer and I'm taking that color there and I'm just lining my brows to define them. A lot of these brushes are just from from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I'm just using it to blend in the eyebrows, concealer, yeah. Yeah, and I'm just using this Essence gel to kind of shape my eyebrows and just putting on lip balm, and yeah, there's like some in lip balm. I'm using the NYX Total Control, which is just like a lighter colored foundation, and I'm just like putting it places where like I want it to be more highlighted, maybe. And I don't really know why I used this brush, to be honest. I ended up just using my hands. But I'm just blending that in, you know? So this is the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm using the color Sandalwood, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. I love the Huda Beauty palette. I've even like hit 10 on it, on the color Angelic. I really like the Huda Beauty. And now I'm just putting on the Sandalwood and just underneath my eyes as well. And I'm taking this color Henna and I'm going to be putting this on my crease. These colors are both just darker browns, and I'm going in with the color Bay, and I'm just taking this and kind of I don't know what the word is, kind of making it look like a line, more sharpening, and yeah, I'm like sharpening the colors together, and then I'm blending like the concealers together with that. And now I'm taking more of the color Bay and I'm just like fluffing it out to make all the colors look to blend it together. And then I'm going to take more of the first color, which is just the light brown, and I'm putting that on the lid again in case I may have accidentally went over it. I'm just using these eyelashes from AliExpress and Duo Glue. and I cut off the lashes just to make them fit. And I'm using tweezers. I don't know how people can just put on their eyelashes like with their hand. I honestly am struggling in this video here to put them on with tweezers, but so I'm eventually getting my eyelashes on here. Alright, and I'm just gonna get my other eyelash on. Finally got the eyelashes on, and now we're just powdering the T-zone. And I am just putting on some bronzer, which is I believe it was the Rimmel one. I have to double check. And I'm just putting on the bronzer on my cheekbones and kind of doing like, you know, the 3 and like the backwards 3. I am just putting on some blush here, and this is like the Elizabeth Arden blush, and I'm using the darker shade. I'm putting it on my cheekbones and a bit on my nose. And now I'm using the Benefit High Beam, like this like pearly rose is like the color I use to describe it. I'm not sure. I need to get more of it though. I'm like hitting like near the end of it, so I'll definitely need to get more of that. But I'm just blending that out with my hand. Highlight is really a favorite part of my makeup. And I'm taking setting powder and then setting powder on my brush there, and then on the eyeshadow. I'm just curling my eyelashes and putting on some Marc Jacobs tester mascara there, or not tester, with a sample, and I am just putting that on the bottom lashes as well. Thank you so much, you guys, if you stuck around for this long in the video. I really appreciate that. I am just going in with the Duo NYX and lining my eyes. And I am really happy with the final eye look, but we are not done yet. We still are putting on some Elizabeth Arden lip liner and lining our lips and coloring them in, and then putting on the Shine 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 from Essence. Oh, and I am putting henna marker on my face and using it as like freckles just to finish off the look. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Make sure you tune in next time. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye. Make sure you try out this look.